In the land of wood and water, there was a caterpillar named Irie. Irie loved his name, although he did not know why he was given that name. One starry night, he asked his grandma, "Hello, Grandma, why was I called Irie?" Grandma smiled and told him, "Your mother gave you that name because you did not cry when you emerged from the egg. You laughed." Irie means everything is all right. When you laughed, we knew you were all right. And man, did Irie love to laugh. Alright, you have to stay with Irie. Irie's still a little shy. However, there was one thing that didn't make Irie happy. The idea of going into a cocoon. His older cousins all went into a cocoon so that they could become but Irie was afraid of being in the dark, silky stuff all by himself. One day, he asked his mother, "Mom, can I just stay a caterpillar forever?" His mother replied, "Irie, there are some things that are inevitable in life." In every table, he repeated confused, "Yes, my sunshine. That means there are some things in life that you have to do." "Okay," he said. But the more cocoons he saw, the more, let me hear you, the more, yes, the more afraid he became. The next day, as he was crawling across the warm soil, someone called his name from above.
Irie. Irie.
That voice sounds familiar, Irie thought. He looked up and saw a beautiful, breathtaking butterfly. Wow. Beautiful in the sun's glory. She was coming towards him. "It was your cousin, Shuggy," the butterfly said. "It feels so great to be finally up here in the sky. Now I can go anywhere I want to." "That's great," said Irie. "You look great, cousin Shuggy. I feel great. Hurry up and join us. You should have been in a cocoon by now." "Do I really have to go in a cocoon before I can be with you guys?" Irie said softly. Why do you think Irie don't want to go in the cocoon? Huh? It's dark and it's going to be oh. But cousin Shuggy could no longer hear him. She had already flown away. Irie watched her fluttering above, wondering if he would ever be able to fly with the butterflies. At home, his mother and grandparents were concerned about his growth. He seemed afraid of his path. Grandma said, "He is, Mom. I am worried," said Mother. "If he doesn't go into the cocoon soon, he could